Hello students and welcome to Standard 8th Mathematics Digital class. Today we will see chapter 9 Discount and Commission, and the topic is Commission. Commission. Sometimes it is not possible for a company to sell their manufactured goods. In such a case, the company assigns responsibility of selling the goods, for example, books, cloth, soap, etc. The person gets some remuneration for the service. The remuneration is called commission. The person who provides such type of service is called a commission agent. Commission is decided in terms of percentage. The rates of commission vary according to the types of goods. If owners of land, house, cattle, etc. want to sell their belongings, it is not easy for them for finding such customers. In such a situation, the person who brings the seller and the buyer together is known as mediator or an agent or a commissioned agent. Now let's understand this with an example. Shripati sold a land for rupees 2,50,000 to Mr. Sadashiv through a broker. Broker received 2% brokerage from both. Find the total brokerage received by the broker. So here Shripati sold a land through an agent, who is called as broker. Now we have to find out if he is taking 2% brokerage from both the sides, that is from the seller side as well as from the buyer side. So how much amount he will receive as a brokerage? Solution. Now the price of the land is rupees 2,50,000. Therefore, brokerage is equal to 2,50,000 multiplied by 2 upon 100. After calculation, we will get 5,000. So this 5,000, now he is receiving the brokerage from both buyer and seller. So 5,000 he will get from the seller side and 1 from the buyer side. So the total brokerage he will receive equals to 5,000 plus 5,000 equals to 10,000 rupees. Now let's see what is rebate. The organizations like Khadi, Gram Udyog, handloom, shops, handicraft, selling centers, bachat groups, etc. give attractive discounts on special occasions. For example, at the time of Gandhi Jayanti, the Khadi textile goods are discounted for promoting Khadi. At such times, the amount of discount is compensated by the government. This monetary compensation is known as rebate. Hence, rebate is also a kind of discount. The individuals having income up to certain limit also receive some discount on their payable income tax. This discount is also known as rebate. Now let's take an example to understand the concept of rebate. From a handloom stores, Sudhir purchased the following items: 2 bedsheets, rupees 375 each, 2 floor mats, rupees 525 each. On the purchase, he received a rebate of 15%. Find the total rebate. How much should Sudhir pay to the shopkeeper? Solution. The cost of 2 bed sheets is One bed sheet is rupees 375. So cost of two bed sheets will be 2 multiplied by 375 equals to rupees 750. Cost of two floor mats. Now the cost of one floor mat is 525. Okay, so cost of two floor mats will be 2 multiplied by 525 equals to rupees 1050. Total cost of items purchased equals to 750, which is for bed sheets, plus 1050, which is for floor mats. So this is equal to rupees 1800. So total rebate given on marked price is equal to. Now the total cost was 1800 and there is a rebate of 15%. So therefore 1800 multiplied by 15 upon 100. After calculation we will get rupees 270. That means he will be getting a rebate of 270 rupees. So therefore Sudhir has to pay equals to 1800 was his total price minus 270, okay, which is rebate amount. So this is equal to rupees 1530. Hope you have understood the concept of commission. Okay. Now write down both the solved examples in your notebook. Thank you.